Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I would like to share this wonderful day to all of you. As you can see, a gibbous moon is showing herself, and walking in the country road is a pleasure, and appreciating the nature every day. Yes, it's me, Manay Ulen. Today I am with my cousins to visit the farm, and I hope that you will enjoy this video.
Dito na kami
So
sa
we already reached the San Rafael, where our farm is located.
tapos lalagyan.
As I've mentioned in the previous videos, we no longer have a direct source of water, which is why my dad has to go down to the creek to fetch water for the pigs and chickens. And in this situation, it's really hard to clean them properly.
Kaling baboy. Wait lang, Jude. Wait.
It's been a while. I know some of you are waiting for me to upload new video, and some are already left this channel. But I want you to know that I am grateful for those who supported me and those who still supporting. For now, let us roam around the farm because I miss them so much. The trees, the leaves, the sun-kissed, everything around the farm.
Snack time. Ayan o. Ganyan lang kababa, tapos ang dami ng bunga. Kukunin na. Okay, yan talaga ang scenery. Pag ganito may mga uod na sa
Honestly, it's been a month after I took these clips. I have a thought to stop uploading videos here on YouTube. And I don't know why I felt this in the past few months. But then I remembered. I created this channel to save the joyful memories of my family here in the farm. You know what? When I was a kid, I wanted to have a digital camera to take photos, most especially to shoot videos of my family's laughter and the magical scenery of the surroundings. And I am very happy for now that I have a cell phone to make it, because it's my pleasure to save every happy memories I've had in this world. And so this video will end here. We are now heading back home. Our inner child was satisfied in this journey, and we are thankful for you guys who are still watching until now. Maraming salamat po.